In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Jira. This process is straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll be ready to start managing your projects efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Jira website. Open your browser and type in atlassian.com software Jira to get started. Once you're there, you'll see a range of options and information about Jira, which is one of the most popular project management tools available. It's designed to help teams plan, track, and manage agile software development projects. Next, look for the sign up section. You will need to enter your work email address. It's important to use an email that you check regularly and is associated with your professional work, as this is where important notifications and updates will be sent. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the sign up button. This action will prompt Jira to send a verification code directly to your email inbox. Now it's time to check your email for that code. Keep an eye on your inbox and don't forget to check your spam or junk folders just in case the email landed there. When you have the code, copy it carefully. Accuracy here is key to ensure that you can move forward without any hitches. Head back to the Jira sign up page and paste the code into the verification field. When you've done that, you'll be automatically guided to the next page. Here's where you'll finalize your account setup by entering your full name and choosing a secure password. Make sure your password is strong, include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. After you've filled out this information, click on continue. Now it's time to create a site. In Jira, a site is a shared space where you'll organize teams, work, and projects. Choose a unique name for your site that reflects the projects or teams you'll be working with, and click on continue once you're happy with it. You'll then be asked to select the kind of work you primarily do, such as marketing, design, operations, and so forth. This helps tailor Jira's features to best suit your needs. After making your selection, you'll move on to the next step. Here, you need to decide how your team plans to use Jira. Whether it's for Scrum, Kanban, bug tracking, or something else, selecting the right option will help optimize your workflow. Finally, hit continue to proceed. The last step involves creating a project. This is where you'll enter a meaningful name for your first project, setting the stage for your work within the platform. Once ready, click on Create Project, and you're all set. Congratulations, you now have a Jira account, a customized site, and a project ready to go. Enjoy organizing and managing your projects with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and happy project planning.